Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave, and have we got a good one lined up for you today. If you're new to the channel, thank you. You like the videos, please give us a sub, trying to grow the channel. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for your continued support. Let's crack on. And you've seen in the thumbnail, we've got a good one today. Check this out. Barrister & Mann's Paganini's violin. Can you see that on there? Special edition. Or is it our wet shaving? Is that the wet shaving group? I've no idea. We won this from Barrister & Mann. We won this in Big Leap, the soft art series. I've no idea about the notes, guys. I can only tell you what I get. That's the pour. Clear the sinuses. Okay, I get like a floral scent and a herbal scent, and then right at the tail end of it, there's like an Earl Grey tea, like a sweet tea scent to it. It smells absolutely phenomenal, guys. Really, really, really nice soap, and I have been itching to use this, and that's Barrister & Mann's Paganini's violin. That's the soap that we're going to be using today. Brush we're going to be using today, Yaqi 26mm yellow brush with a black knot. There you go. We'll put that in the official John Shea Super Soaker. It was the standing Super Soaker. I've made it the official one. There you go. The balm we're going to be using today, Nivea Skin Energy. Good stuff. Got aftershave balm, revitalises tired skin, and I've got tired skin. And the splash you've seen, look at this. Check out this bad boys. That's Ed Hardy violin. Check out that bottle. Check out that snake. So even when I've had this for a while, but do you know when it's all gone, I'm keeping that bottle. There you go. And last but by no means least, the bit I'm going to talk about the most, the hardware, my polished Karve. I've polished it a little bit more, but not too much. I haven't had a chance to polish it as much as I would like, but there it is. There you go. And in that we've got a plate sent to me by a viewer called Dean. I won't give you his last name, but thank you, Dean. I did my card shave about 3 weeks ago, and I said I needed to up the game with the plates. The plates were very good, very close shave. Just would have needed a little bit more. And Dean got in touch with me and he sent me this. Can you see that? I've polished it a little, but that's the F plate. I think I got B, C and D came with it. And Dean very kindly got in touch with me. He emailed me. He said, John, I've got an F plate for a Karve. I don't use it, I'll send it you. And he did at his own expense. He gave me this and he posted it to me at his own expense, which is very generous. Thanks again, Dean. It really, really is. You guys in this community, you really are something else. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And we're going to put in it a Shark Platinum. They are Platinum, yeah. The only Sharks I've got are Platinums. But I've not used these for a while. And that's what it looks like out of there. Some guys got back in touch with me about those Kais with a laser. Having nothing on it. These have got something on it. See that there? Shark Platinum. There you go. Put that on there. Put that on there. It came with a washer and I haven't lost it yet, so I'll put the washer back on. I tend not to bother with them. This handle needs it, but that is one smooth action. Yeah, Karve, absolutely brilliant. Okay, can you see? There you go. So that's the Karve F plate. Just hang on 1 minute. And we're back. I know I've done it before, but I just wanted to, for comparison, show you the old plate and the polish. Not everything was this colour. And I've done a little bit of polishing. And I don't know if my camera, I won't realise until I watch back on the TV after. But we're getting there, aren't we? We're getting there, a few more goes. and we'll get there and we'll put that in the water here. And now all that's left to do is wet the face and crack on. So, woo, that water was hotter than I thought. How have you all been? How is everybody doing? How is the week treating you? Oh, it's been a good week. It's an odd one. It's been quiet and busy in work. It's been busy, but you know, we haven't really been nose to the grindstone, so I'm feeling good. I have been ill. I'll tell you a story in a minute about how illness and COVID has visited us. Here you go. Let's see. You'll see it as I see it. I have no idea what base this is. And my eyes aren't going to pick that up. Can you see that? But it's a very hard soul. It is. As a matter of fact, I can tell you now, I'm going to need to keep going. Hey, see? That'll do us. Put a bit more water in there. And there you go. And you know me, I like to load the brush and lather on the face. Yes, Samantha test. I don't know if I've told you. Samantha tested positive for COVID-19. She's got the Omicron. And it was the bizarrest thing. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Absolutely wonderful. Here we go. Wow, that brush. That knot is so soft. I think this is only the second time I've used this brush. And if memory serves me correctly, I got it to use with this because it was yellow. I didn't have a yellow brush. And then when it came, if you look, it's this is more of an orange yellow. But anyway, yeah. We were all, do you remember me saying we were off colour over Christmas, chesty? And I had blocked ears and a temperature and just a general feeling of unwell. Dip those tips. But we were testing. I have to test for the work, for the job I do. I go into factories, I go into food factories and cardboard box factories and factories that make packaging for the food industry. And they're very meticulous. And some of them insist that you have a COVID test before they let you over the gate. So I've tested regular as clockwork every week. And I didn't have COVID. But Samantha tested last Friday and it was positive. When she phoned the doctors, or she sent the text in to the NHS. Look at that, guys. Wow. That's a good lather. That's a good lather, look. And it's very, very slick. So anyway, as I was saying, they said come to the hospital. There's one of these pop-up centres right next door to the hospital. And she went up there and they did a PCR test. And that came back positive. So me and my wife have been testing ourselves every day. And all three of us have got, listen to this, all three of us have got better. And my wife and I, we live in, this is a tiny, tiny flat. Or apartment. And my wife and I haven't got it. And Samantha, Saturday, what are we on today? Tuesday, is it Tuesday? Wednesday she ever filmed this Tuesday night, yeah. Samantha tested this morning and she tested negative. So here we are. F plate, thank you, Dean. Very kind, very generous. Let's see where we go. Oh yes, wow. Very good. These blades are good and all, guys. So, that's been my week. I had some blood tests. Had some blood tests at the doctor's. Routine blood tests. Just part of the medical. You get that medical every, you know, when you're over a certain age. But anyway, what was I going to say? Something. Yeah, we've started to feel better. Everybody. And Samantha, it's the bizarrest thing. She's lost a sense of smell, but if she eats something particularly pungent, she can taste it. She can taste coffee if she makes a strong coffee. If she has like really strong taste, if she's garlic, she can taste it. But yeah, you blindfold her and crush a garlic clove under her nose, nothing. You know, so it's the bizarrest thing. But fancy that. She's tested, I think she tested Wednesday negative, tested Thursday negative, tested Friday positive, tested today negative, so. And she's feeling better, much, much better. As are we all. Anybody, if you've been watching my channel from the start, you will know I've got bad lungs. I have real bad lungs. And when COVID first landed, I got furloughed. And I never left. I never left our home for 5 months. Because I had just come right off the back of a lung infection that put me in hospital, you know. And the consensus among the medical world was, if COVID got me and went for my lungs, it wouldn't have been a good, it wouldn't have been a good ending. So I never left the house. But now we're triple jabbed, all of us. And Samantha got that Omicron. And yeah, it seems to have gone. We'll keep testing. We'll all keep testing for the next. We've ordered some more testing kits. But that's it. That's where I'm at, guys. That was my week. How is your week? You can probably hear I sound better. My breathing's been so weak and shallow for about 3 weeks now. I've been doing deep breathing exercises. Oh, like. Driving my wife up the wall. Because the best time to do it is when I get in bed and I lie down. And I just for 3 or 4 minutes before I go to sleep, I do a deep breathing exercise and do the same again in the morning. And I don't know if it's that's helped or whether I've just got better. But as far as I can, I'm going to continue to do them forever now. You know, just to try and strengthen my lungs. And we've not been able to go to the gym. Because although me and my wife keep testing positive and we don't have to self-isolate, Samantha didn't test positive, although she had all the symptoms. Samantha didn't test positive Wednesday or Thursday. So we didn't want to be a carrier or a chance of infecting somebody else, so we've just not done anything. We've been going to work and then we've been coming straight home. We'll probably do that for the rest of the week. And then if we get another couple of negative tests, we're in the clear. But I just thought it was really bizarre. After everything we've heard about it, she kicked its butt in about 4 days, so here we go. Against the grain. Now this F plate, as you can see, is absolutely phenomenal. So thank you, Dean. Thank you for that. It's just so kind, that. It blows me away, those acts of kindness. It really, really does. That somebody I didn't know. Well, we've got a weeper. I topped a spot, there you go, that's what I'm saying. I do get weepers, you know why? I'll tell you something else you probably know. I've got very, very soft skin, but very, very coarse, prickly, iron filings beard. And not with this, but usually with lighter razors or milder razors, I find myself pressing. Now, I've also said in the class, I shaved this way for years before ever filming. I never cut myself once. You start filming because you just can't. The concentration and the not talking and the quiet that's needed, it doesn't transition into videos, does it, guys? It doesn't make for stuff that people will watch. So we're just trying to get the best of both worlds, and that, look at this, guys. Ladder mittens. Wow. Yeah. Absolutely wonderful. So, what do you think of the Karve? Have you used it? What plates have you used? Can you hear them? Absolute, oh. I sent a commenter, Lee, from Thailand. I sent him some samples. And he messaged me, I'm so sorry, Lee. You should, John, have you got a tracking number for that stuff you sent? Listen to this, guys. I said, yeah, sent him the tracking number. I think something like 11 days after I posted it. Sent him the tracking number. He's still in the UK. Oh my word. But anyway, I'm so sorry, Lee. I hope you get it soon, buddy. Let me know when it arrives, won't you? I'm going to empty that and then I'm going to do a cold water rinse. Now, some people have asked why I don't use alum. I used to bring alum in, little Osmo block. Do you remember him? Donny Osmo. And I'll tell you quite clearly, guys, we're all different, aren't we? And there must be something in my DNA. Because when I put that alum block on my skin, even if I was to go and do it now, it felt like sulfuric acid. It did the burn. Took every ounce of self-restraint not to just sort of like go. So, I don't know, but there you go. That is our shave. We did okay. Thanks for listening to me. Thanks for listening to the waffle. Yeah, we'll go the lean in. We did okay, didn't we? That little Nick. That plate is absolutely wonderful. Thank you, Dean. What a gent. Here we go. Ed Hardy. This'll be the this'll be the test now. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells fantastic. No stinging, no zinging, no nothing. And we'll balm up with Nivea. And then that'll be us. I don't put a lot on. I'm gonna go now, guys, and have a meal. A healthy one. And have a drink. And then I will upload this. And it will go up overnight. Thanks for sticking with me. And remember guys, I'm not preaching to you. These are just mantras that I try and live by. But as far as it depends upon you, not anybody else, and when I say you, I'm pointing to me, as far as it depends upon you, be peaceable with all men. The world needs more love. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Bye.